All right, people. Anybody who has this truck out there, I think it's called the FG Monster Truck or the FS Monster Truck 30cc engine. Um, I'm new at the fifth scale, and I'm wondering, is this supposed to be like this, or is it supposed to be stiff? I know my hands is big, but look at this. Is that supposed to be like that, or the gears and everything are good? All of the tires move. I can get it set. Got some fucking tires in there that's holding my tires, but alright. Yeah. They all move. But it's just this in here. Sorry about that. It's this in here. See, I don't know if that's stripped or it needs to be tightened. No, that feels tight. That feels tight. It's just this. I don't know if something is missing or this supposed to be inside of here or what, but I don't know, people. If you have any idea, kind of idea, let me know. I don't know, I'm starting to look in there and it look like it could be glue or something in there. Yeah.